Hi everyone, in this video I will show you that how you can fix Halls or Torment game shutters or the lagging problem on your PC. I will show you guys the different and important settings that you need to apply to fix this problem. So first, make a right click on your taskbar. You will see the task manager, simply open it. Here you just need to close all the background application. Now you will see the memory and the CPU on the top. If these are above the 90%, then this means this is the danger symbol and the application that are consuming the most of your RAM or CPU appear on the top. So make a right click on the all of the application that appear on the top and simply click on the end task. Then go to the startups and here you just need to disable all the background application because this application start automatically when you start your PC and causing a lot of CPU or the RAM usage and causing your game crash. So you just need to make sure that you disable all of these. Now the next important setting is the privacy settings. So go to the Windows set, type with the privacy settings. Now it will appear on the top. So open it. Now here on the left hand side, just scroll down and you will see the background apps. And once you click on that, now here make sure that this is off. Now if this is on, you can just turn it off. Now here you will see all the background application that consume a lot of CPU or RAM and causing your game crash. Now the next important setting is the system configurations. So go to the Windows set, type the system configurations, it will appear on the top. So open it. Now here go to the boot, then just click on the advanced options. Then here just select the maximum number of processors you have. Guys, if you have the 4, 8, 16 or the any value, then select it. This will increase your game performance. Then just click on the OK to apply the changes. Now just go to the services you are seeing on the top. And guys, here just check this box of the hide all master services. Then just disable all of these because these are the useless services and consuming the most of your RAM and causing your game crash. So make sure that you disable all of these. Then just click on the apply to save the changes. Then you must need to restart your PC. So once you restart your PC, launch the game manager, any kind of shutters problem will be fixed with this game. And if yes, please don't forget to like this video and bye bye, see you in the next one.